We're on a Windows 10 computer, and sometimes you're hosting a website that may be internal to your network. So for instance, if I ping a website that I'm hosting inside my network right now, which is alltechtools.com, I get this public address. And if I'm inside my network, then I can't go out to my firewall and back in again. It just doesn't work that way because that's a bit of a security risk. So what I got to do is I have to go in and make an edit to either the DNS server if I'm on a domain or to my hosts file on my computer if I'm not. So let's go to the C drive. And this also affects a single computer, which is really nice in case you are on a domain but you just want to edit one computer. So I'm going to go to Windows, System 32. There's the path right there because I've been there before. System 32, drivers, etc. So you want to make sure that that's the path where you go. Hit Enter, and now you see a bunch of different files. So the file that we want to edit is called the hosts file. But we have to edit the permissions first. So I'm going to right-click on it and choose Properties. And then I'm going to click on the Security tab. And then I need to click Edit in order to be able to edit it. And that's because by default, if you click on the users, you see we only have read access. We don't have write access. So what I can do is I can either check the box that says write, or I can just click add and add everyone, whatever it is I want to do, and click full permission. And it gives us a little warning saying, hey, this is a bit of a security risk. So when we're done editing, it's a good idea to go back in here and remove the everyone group and the write access. And that's because hackers and malware, they like to go in here and make changes because it's such a powerful file. So I'll click OK, and now I can edit it. So I'll say open with. And I like to choose Notepad, but there's several different options here, but Notepad makes the most sense because it doesn't change the formatting of anything. Now I'm going to type in the IP address of where my website is being hosted. Hit the tab key. You only have to hit it once, but you can hit it multiple times if you want to line everything up. And I'm going to put in the name of my domain. And this is the website that's being hosted internally. Now I can save that, close it, and then let's take a look and make sure it works. Beforehand, if we opened up Alltech Tools, we see the connection is timed out. We can't get to it. And there's alltechtools.com. So let's go to a command prompt, and we're going to type ipconfig/flush DNS. And the reason for that is because this won't update right away. It usually takes 15 minutes, or you have to restart your computer. Or you could type this command. So we flushed it. Now I'm going to ping alltechtools.com again, and look at that. Now it's doing the internal address. Now it doesn't matter if the ping works or not, because pinging may be turned off on the server, which I know it is. We just have to make sure the resolution works. Now we'll go back to our web browser, and I'm just going to click try again on alltechtools.com. And it looks like it's coming up. And there's my alltechtools.com website. So that's how you go in and edit a hosts file. And when you're done, make sure you go back and change that security so the malware can't get in there and make changes to it. Otherwise, it can redirect your web pages to infected sites. And that's in Windows 10, but that works also in any version of Windows, either client or server.